girls. We are back with another video. It's me, Herb, and this time, as you can see, we are here to try the different types of prime. I think it might be one or two other kinds.
There is.
There's
3.
What is it? What are the other kinds?
Orange, purple, glowberry.
Grape, orange, grape, and what else?
Glowberry.
And glowberry. I haven't seen grapes, so I'm not sure where they are. But
They got them at Uncle Boogie's store.
today we are going. So supposedly they're at Walgreens, but I didn't see them in there. So we're gonna try these kinds, and we'll let you know which one is our favorite. So, which one you want to start with? We want to start with the red one.
No.
which is,
I want to. This one was my first one, so I want to taste this one first.
well, you already tasted this one. This one is Ice Pop. So I guess it's supposed to taste like that red, white, and blue Ice Pop. So let's see. Cheers. We don't need a lot to taste them. So I wanted to see the color of them too. That's why we got these. Here. Cheers.
It tastes pretty good.
I don't really like the taste
I do.
because it's kind of viscous, like one of those, like a little thick kind of, like, and it's like too sweet. It's like I can tell there's like it's not a real sugar that's in here. It's sweetened by something else. It's been sweetened by something else. It says, so I'm gonna read the ingredients. It says filtered water, coconut water from concentrate, citric acid, dipotassium phosphate, trimagnesium citrate, natural flavor. Here's the sugars right here. Sucralose, I'm not sure what that is. L-isoleucine, L-leucine, L-valine, D-alpha, tocopherol acetate, vitamin E, acysulfame potassium, retinol palmitate, vitamin A, pyridoxine hydrochloride. Oh my God, so much stuff in here that I can't even pronounce. Vitamin B6, cyanocobalamin, vitamin B12. Contains allergens, tree nuts, coconut.
Yeah.
It's gluten-free and caffeine-free. Stop looking at glass like that.
I already know it's gluten-free.
Well, it has tree nuts in it, and you're allergic to tree nuts. So, did you know that?
No.
Yeah, I don't really like this. Maybe if I, what's that? It says shake before drinking, so I'm gonna drink this. I'm gonna shake it up a bit. It seemed like if I put water in there though and cut it, it will be a little better. So let me shake it up and give it a little more.
Me too.
I'm just gonna give it a little more.
Let's see.
Tastes the same. So which one do you want to try next? You want to try the pink one, which is, what kind is this?
Strawberry watermelon. Guys,
Strawberry
look.
watermelon.
Guys, look under. Pink!
Is it pink? Let's see. Yep, it is.
And under his red, under his blue, under his yellow,
Probably.
under his green.
Natural flavor fruit and vegetable juice for color. So that's probably the only difference, really. So
They got different flavors.
let's see.
Different flavor. The flavor of the pie. Cheers. Let's go. Good.
I think I just don't like the thickness of it. They're too thick. They're not. I mean,
It's
it's
good.
not as thick as a milkshake or a smoothie, of course, but it's not thin like water. Whatever it is in here is making it a little. I can't really explain it. I wish I could give you all a good example of it, of something that has this type of consistency.
Now
I guess
my
if you
second.
ever had Kool-Aid that just got way too much sugar in it and it's kind of like syrupy almost, but of course it's still liquid, that's kind of like what I'm getting with this. Like it's just so much of, I guess it's probably the sweetener, the sucralose. It's a lot of that.
This was my second one. Yeah, that was my second one. This is my third one.
So we're going tropical punch.
Chocolate. It's wet. It's wet in there. Look, show you. See, it's wet. Guys, look, I can show you.
I think it kind of look like the pink one though, right?
Yeah, but guys, look, let me show you it's wet. See? It's wet. Oh, a little cheer.
Cheers. I can taste the fruit punch in there, but like I said, I don't like the consistency of it. I don't like the sweetener that's used.
You like the flavor though, right?
Yeah, I can taste the fruit punch flavor. It tastes like fruit punch, but I don't like the consistency.
Ugh.
It says Prime was developed to fill the void where great taste meets function, with bold, thirst-quenching flavors to help you refresh, replenish, and refuel. Prime is the perfect boost for every endeavor. We're confident you'll love it as much as we do. Humbly, Prime Team. Sorry, Logan and KSI, but I don't think so. But I do salute you guys for, on your endeavor, on your business. And clearly you're doing very well with it, but it's not for my taste.
To me, it is.
I don't think so.
In my neck,
Last time we had this one, you didn't even drink the whole thing. So
Well,
I don't believe you. We're gonna go blue.
No, I think this is my first time taking. I think this is my first time taking blue.
Blue raspberry.
Yeah, this is my first one. It's blue, y'all. Look, do it. See, it's not that blue.
It's not that blue, really.
Well, it's not blue. Cheers.
It's really not blue.
But let me show you
It looked just like the other one, the ice pop.
Excuse me. Yeah.
What do you think about the taste?
Good.
I don't think you really know if you like it or not. You don't know what's good. It does have only, it was a serving size 16.94 ounces. I guess this is a 16.9 bottle. In the whole bottle is only 25 calories, so that is a good thing.
Yeah.
And everything says 0. Total fat 0, saturated fat 0, trans fat 0, cholesterol 0, sodium 10 milligrams. But it says 0%. Total carbohydrates 6 grams, 2%. Dietary fiber 0 grams, 0%. Total sugars 1 gram. Includes 0 grams of added sugar. Protein 0 grams. I don't understand how it's really no sugar. I'm gonna say 1 gram of sugar, but it tastes so sweet like this. I guess it's the sucrose. Maybe that's
Daddy,
a way for me to not say that it's
because it's gluten free. Can I drink Prime because it's gluten free?
Yeah, but I don't know about the coconut.
It got coconut.
Because you are allergic to tree nuts.
No, now this one. Guys, look, let me show you something. Green.
It's not green. It's the same color as that.
Both are green.
It's the same color as that.
It's green.
How much you want to bet?
Mm-hmm.
What do you want to bet?
I want to bet if it's green, you gotta give me $10.
And if it's not green?
Yeah.
What? If it's not green, what you gotta give me?
If it's not green, no, you gotta do it. That's it.
What? Well, if it's not green, you gotta do some math work.
No, I think it's not green. I think it's not green. It's not green. I like no.
Exactly, it's the same color
Not green.
as the other ones. What do you think?
It's sour.
I'm almost don't even really want to taste it. Let me see.
It's sour, ain't it?
I can taste the lemon lime again. I can taste the flavor in here. It's about naturally flavored. Let me see. Natural flavor. I guess that's the lemon stuff, the lemon lime, whatever they use for that. But I don't like this drink. I don't like none of them.
No.
So we're gonna go to our last one, which is what? Lemonade?
Lemonade. Go.
Yeah, this one might be a little yellow.
I think it's yellow.
It's not.
But why is it yellow? What's
One little squid. And what do you think? These drinks do not taste good.
they do?
So I'm gonna give these drinks an F. To me, I don't like Prime. I don't like the taste of it. It's not a drink that I would ever buy to consume myself. The only reason I ever bought it was because he asked for it, and I honestly don't think he likes it either. I just think that he likes that he sees other people drinking it on YouTube, because this drink does not taste good.
It do. Just for the seed.
So but out of all the tastes, all of the flavors, I can't even really.
Now we gotta get orange.
I really can't even say which one is
the
the best flavor, because I don't like any of the flavors. So, thanks for watching. We will be back. Remember to like and subscribe. Peace.
This is an A+ for me.
A few moments later.
Yeah, look at his lip.
Should we take him to the doctor?
Turn your head straight. This way.